Squeeze the tomato pulp into a small hole in the soil. Repeat in another spot. Then gently cover it with soil. Lightly spray with water to keep it moist. Wait a few days until the seeds begin to sprout. Soon you'll see the first shoots, which will grow into dense tomato seedlings. Save this video for later. Don't plant parsley until you see this trick. It's a simple way to get a rich harvest. Take an ice cube tray and some seeds, for example, parsley seeds. Parsley germinates slowly, so this method makes sowing much easier. I'll show you how to sow parsley in the garden. Let me know where you're watching from. Place one seed in each compartment, then fill each with water. This keeps every seed evenly spaced and prevents them from moving. Put the tray in the freezer. Gently remove the frozen cubes and place them in a bowl. Parsley tolerates cold well, and the ice provides the right moisture without washing the seeds away. In the soil, make a row or small holes where you want to plant. Place the cubes next to each other, about 1 to 2 inches apart. This way you'll see how to sow vegetables evenly. Finally, cover everything with soil and water lightly. After just a few days, you'll see the first results, and the plants will grow evenly and abundantly. This simple gardening trick makes sowing parsley faster, more precise, and much easier. Instead of throwing away, pour water and water tomato seedlings. Even the weakest seedlings will grow strong, healthy, and sturdy. All you need is a fertilizer that you can make at any time. It accelerates the growth of tomato seedlings. It strengthens the roots. Just apply it 2 or 3 times every 10 days, for watering but also as a spray. It contains appropriate amino acids, minerals, vitamins, and bacteria. To make it, take ordinary bread. Various bread leftovers, whether fresh or dried, will be suitable. Prepare any jar with a capacity of about 1 liter. Crumble the bread and put it into the jar. Fill the jar with bread to half its volume. Pour water over it. You can use rainwater. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Sugar accelerates fermentation. Cover the jar and set it aside in a warm place for 2 days. After this time, prepare a container with a sieve and strain the bread. Dilute the obtained liquid by pouring 3 liters of water. Add 3 tablespoons of milk. Milk will further improve the fertilizer's properties. Now just water the seedlings. You can feed smaller seedlings using a syringe. Larger ones just need watering. You can also pour the liquid into a sprayer and use it as a spray. You'll see that tomato seedlings will quickly become stronger and won't stretch out. You can also use this fertilizer for other seedlings. For example, for cucumber or pepper seedlings. 1 teaspoon will make your tomato seedlings strong, healthy, and well-rooted. You'll be amazed. The weak and limp seedlings will finally develop a strong root system. They won't get sick. Their stems and leaves will begin to grow beautifully. The tomato seedlings will become your pride. And all this thanks to one product. Anyone who grows vegetables at home knows how many conditions must be met for seedlings to be healthy and strong. The right temperature, plenty of light, and proper watering. You've ensured all of this for your seedlings, yet they are still weak and not growing? Then you can fertilize them. You'll protect them from fungal diseases that often attack young seedlings. They won't get the so-called damping off disease. This remedy is perfect for rooting young seedlings. It stimulates their growth. To prepare it, you'll need standing water or rainwater. Pour this water into a container. This container holds half a liter. Add half a teaspoon of honey. Dissolve it in the water. For 1 liter of water, use 1 teaspoon of honey. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon has antibacterial properties. It also protects against mold and aids rooting, just like honey. Water your seedlings with this mixture. You'll be thrilled with the result. Your tomato seedlings will grow beautifully. They'll be strong and healthy. The secret powder that will accelerate the growth of your seedlings and repel insects. It's completely natural and used by every experienced gardener. You won't find this in a garden store. After using it, plants have thick stems and leaves. They're much more resistant to diseases and changing weather conditions. Even the weakest, most fragile seedlings start growing like crazy. Anyone who has tried growing plants from seedlings knows it's not that simple. To grow well, seedlings need more than just water and light. I know a method that works wonders. The solution is literally in your kitchen. an ingredient that almost no one talks about but has amazing properties. It acts as an antioxidant for plants. It stimulates growth, strengthens the root system, and repels pests, especially aphids. This secret powder is the peel of one of the citrus fruits. Peel a few oranges, then dry the peels thoroughly. Once they're hard, grind them into a fine powder in a blender. This natural homemade powder is the best growth stimulant. Just 1 tablespoon is enough, but that's not all. In a separate container, add 5 tablespoons of citrus powder and pour in 1 liter of warm water. Let it sit for half an hour, then strain it. Use this spray twice a week. Your plants will grow faster, healthier, and more luxuriant. Even frail seedlings will become strong and healthy. Water these seedlings. You'll manage to strengthen them before planting them in the field. You'll speed up the development of roots, shoots, and leaves. You'll fortify the young plants. They'll be more resistant to diseases and unfavorable weather conditions. To prepare it, you need a few products that you surely have at home. To start, about 10 grams of onion skins are enough. Transfer them to a jar and pour about a liter of hot but not boiling water over them. Close the jar and set it aside, preferably for 1 day in a warm place. The next day, strain the liquid through a sieve lined with gauze. This liquid alone is rich in many nutrients and minerals such as potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium. To this water, add 1 teaspoon of dried yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix it and leave it for 2 hours. Yeast is a source of B group vitamins. It also contains magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. Before watering the seedlings, the fertilizer should be diluted in 4 liters of water. Water the seedlings with the diluted fertilizer. You'll strengthen tomato seedlings even before planting them in the field. You can use this fertilizer once every 10 to 14 days. Even frail seedlings will become strong and healthy. A few drops will make strong and healthy seedlings grow from the seeds. This green rooting hormone will even stimulate old seeds to sprout. The plants will grow strong and healthy. All you need is to provide the seeds with 1 natural substance. You can prepare it yourself at home. You need aloe for it. It's an exceptional plant. Its leaf juice has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Thanks to this, the seeds germinate better. Take a smaller aloe leaf, cut it into smaller pieces. Aloe contains plenty of vitamins and micro and macro elements. They have a positive effect even on old seeds. Transfer the chopped leaf to a small blender. Pour about 1 glass of water. Turn on the blender and blend the aloe. In combination with water, it will be perfect for the seeds. Prepare a container with a capacity of about 1 glass and a strainer. Drain the water from the aloe. This way, you will get a fertilizer that contains valuable substances. Prepare a container with a lid. Line it with a paper towel. Moisten the towel with the green rooting hormone using a spoon. Sprinkle the seeds. I'm sowing tomatoes right now, but it can be any seeds. Close the container, and it's ready. Put it in a warm and sunny place. Regularly moisten the towel. After a few days, the seeds will start to sprout. You can also see how cabbage vegetables germinate. They are already perfect for pricking out. If you know how to stimulate seeds and how, you will have strong and healthy seedlings.